Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you two Pontiac Fiero Indy Pace cars. These are both going to be sold together on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. We have one that has a total of 13,000 original miles. Basically everything is original. And then we have this unit right here that has 76,000 miles, so you can actually drive it. These two will be listed at no reserve on Bring a Trailer. If you have any questions, just click on the link below. We're going to have a full gallery for both units. In this video, we're going to take them both for test drives, so you guys can decide if this is what you want to bid on. Good luck.
Oh my God. Is that?
Whoa! Got a Fiero pace car?
Yeah, you got one too! We're going to start off with the 14,000 mile unit. So they produced 2,000 of these in 1984. It's powered by an Iron Duke 92 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. I love these things because they have flip-up headlights and they have that retro design. So when you look inside them, you're going to have the complimentary two-tone interior with the silverish vinyl and the red cloth with the Indianapolis 500 symbol right there. Interior in this one is like brand new, steering wheel's perfect, everything works inside of it. Let's walk around the actual exterior. The tires look like they're original. They're Goodyear Eagle GTs. You do have the Indianapolis Motor Speedway badge right there. That's signature for these models, along with the badge on the front nose. Paint on this is original. It doesn't have any cracking. You can see a little bit of a discoloration on some of the plastic, and that's just from the factory. There's the Indy Fiero badge right there. And how I'm distinguishing these two cars right now, because they look exactly the same, is the Pontiac plate will be the one that has a lower mileage. The one that doesn't have a plate is the higher mileage. Headlights work as they should. That's cool. Under the bonnet, it's extremely clean. And what I love about this one, full documentation, a whole bunch of memorabilia comes with it. And we're talking 2 inches of documentation, books on how to work on it, the original window sticker, handkerchiefs with Pontiac Fiero pace car on them, everything. We're gonna have that all in the gallery. So if you look at the gallery below, you're gonna see that. I'm gonna open up the door, which is like hidden in the trim, and you have your official pace car sticker right here. Door cards are in excellent condition for this one. You have a little map pouch. Emergency brake works as it sounds like it works as it should. Yeah. Steering wheel's in great shape. Gauges are perfect. 14,686 miles. A little bit of imperfection on this seat right here. So it does have a moonroof. It does operate. We have it open right now. All of your interior lights are working. All the rubber looks great too. Seat belts work as they should. Seats go forward as they should. And then if you look at the center section, it's very clean. I'm gonna start it up right now. Starts up easily, nice idle, voltage is working. Your e-brake symbol is showing that it's on, so we're gonna turn that off. Door light is on and we have the deck open so we can show you the engine shortly. Ashtray has never been used. The radio does work as it should. All the lights are working up here. 2 ashtrays. Power windows work perfect. Let's see if the air condition works. It's blowing cool. It's not cold, it's cool. Oh, it's actually getting a little bit cold. Feels like it's like 65 degrees. I'm gonna open up the rear now. Can you pull up on the deck lid while I... Okay. So you've got your 2.5 liter right there, the Iron Duke. Very healthy, extremely clean. You could tell that it is original mileage. All your stickers are in the proper place. I see a little bit of oxidation where the wing mounts, and that's the original paint, and all of this comes off. This is all just oxidation. Your batteries are located underneath that compartment right there. And inside here, it's very clean. As I said, we have tons of documentation. I mean, I could fill this whole entire thing up with everything that's coming with this one. Tail lights are really neat. There's no cracking. Exhaust sounds good. You can give it gas and it sounds healthy. In regards to the paint, there's a small imperfection right here, a couple of small minor imperfections throughout. The black on the top of the deck lid is starting to show its age, and they actually sell an SEM paint that will fix that, but I don't want to fix it because it's all original. Let's go on the passenger side. I'm gonna open up the front bonnet and we'll take a look at that when we get up front. Passenger side is very nice. We left it running so you can hear it. Doors open up easily. That's our detail spray. All the stickers are still nice. It's clean. Up front, you're gonna find your radiator, fan, and then the pop-up lights. We had it parked under a tree before we brought this out, so there are a couple of leaves that we need to remove. You do have your SPID there, so that's gonna showcase all of the options for the vehicle. There you go. Brake fluid's clear. Okay, there's your jack, and then your windshield wiper reservoir. What we're gonna do right now is jump in it. I'm just gonna drive it up and down this road because the mileage is so low, and then we'll jump onto the higher mileage one, which you can enjoy. It has higher mileage. These are really cool. It's gonna be neat to have two of them together sold. Come on in. We're inside right now. You can see that the horn works. The decajar is not turning off for some reason. Mileage, I talked about that already. Your lights work. That's neat. Radio works, as I talked about. Windows work. Your power mirrors are working as well. I'm gonna put it into reverse and we'll take it for a quick spin and then get some outside shots for this one. Shift smooth. Brakes are nice. It's easy to turn when you have motion. We're going 40 miles an hour right now with no issues. We'll get some outside shots right now, and you guys can decide if this pair of Fiero Indy cars is gonna work for you. Did I mention it's no reserve? Oh my God. I'm gonna park this one. We're gonna take the 76,000 mile one out and show you what it can do. All right, let's start off with the driver quality one. Extremely nice. I would say same condition for all the body panels as the low mileage one. You have the Indy Fiero badge here. Your headlights operate as they should. Pontiac emblem. You do have your moonroof as well. So the paint has checking. This one has higher mileage, so it was probably in the sun. So you're gonna have some checking throughout the quarter and the top of the deck lid. Tires have about the same tread actually, so they've definitely replaced these at some point. Interior is very clean. It does have a little bit of wear on the steering wheel, and I see a little bit of wear on the armrest, but the red of the interior is just as good as the low mileage one. Same options, except for this has crank windows, so you're gonna see that there's no switches where the keys are laying right now. That's where you would have your power switches. It also has an aftermarket radio in place with a CD player. It's a Fisher body, by the way. Engine bay is extremely clean. Same thing, it has the Iron Duke 92 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Automatic transmission, so it's a mid-engine. You've got a newer battery over there as well. All the stickers are in great shape, and the carpet kit is in great shape for this unit. We have the original owner's manual for this one. It doesn't have as much documentation as the low mileage unit. Taillights are in great shape. Pontiac emblem right here. Same thing with checking on, basically the whole quarter section has checking. I don't know if they use like a lacquer style paint, but I see it throughout. Door card's very nice. Windows do go up and down with ease, and they're never gonna break because they're crank. Glass is nice. Okay, so I'm using a rag to pull this little cable if you wanna come and look at it. There's normally a little handle right here. It looks like the plastic broke, so that's actually the release. I would say the overall condition for both these units in regards to engine bay cleanliness and bonnet cleanliness is pretty on par. It looks like this is still original. Your proportioning valve looks good. The brake fluid's a little bit darker. So that's really clean. Still has a spare tire, your spare jack as well, or your jack for your spare, and the bonnet looks really nice. Whoops. So we're gonna jump in it right now, take it for a spin so you can see this one drive, get some outside shots. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please be sure to like and subscribe. This is gonna be sold, no reserve, 2 cars, no reserve, and bring a trailer. Let's do it. Forgot to do a startup. Starts up easily. Sounds good. Let me get back. Well, it runs a little bit richer. I can smell fuel. But it's healthy, runs and drives down the road nicely. Good. All right, let's take it for a ride. All right, let's try out the air conditioner. So the air is blowing cool. It's not hot. It's cool. Horn works. Power window or power mirrors work. I keep saying that. 2 ashtrays, both very clean. Steering wheel has a little bit of wear here. I know they do sell a paint that will match this, but I want it to be sold exactly as it sits. When it goes into gear, it's not as smooth as the lower mileage one, which does make sense because the bushings would be more worn. Let me do a little turnaround. These gauges remind me of the Typhoon, sorta, or the Cyclone. Radio works. Enjoyed both those test drives. Give us a call at 954-363-2261. Good luck bidding. No reserve.